Fine arts online. Super Awesome Cool Pottery continues to provide highly educational and super fun fine arts classes for kids of all ages remotely. Enjoy and learn from the comfort of your own home. Use your own materials or order our art kits, ready-made for our curriculum. Go to superawesomecool.com to sign up to your favorite classes. See you on the other side of the screen.
Hello, this is the Super Awesome Cool Pottery Canvas Kit. We are going to show you the contents of it so that you know exactly what you're getting or how to replace it so you can make your own DIY canvas kit to take our online fine arts classes. Okay, so let's get started very quickly. So the first things that you will see here are these tin containers. They have tempera paint. You can find whatever paints you have at home. You can use tempera or acrylic. We don't recommend watercolors, at least not for these lessons, because they work differently and the techniques of application are very, very different. You're also going to get paint brushes. You have very many different sizes and styles. It's very important that you have an assortment of brushes. This will help you get the best results and the best precision in your painting. You can use any kind of brushes you have lying around in your house. We have, for example, a set of old paint brushes. We have these that come with toy kits, you can even use a couple of old makeup brushes. Whatever you have lying in the home, you can replace these brushes with. We also have a tray for painting, a palette. We have this one that we will provide for you, but we can replace this with two very simple items you can find at home. These trays that you get from the grocery store, when you buy veggies or meat, you can clean them up and you can use these very nice and just pour paints on there for whenever colors need to be mixed. Or you can use a plastic plate. We don't recommend paper plates because they will absorb the paint, but these plastic plates will work just fine for making your DIY kit at home. Additionally, we provide canvases. This is the carbon paper, and these are the sketches that we need to pre-sketch for the lessons, but those can be emailed to you. And once again, like I said, we have the canvases. These are 11 by 14s. These can easily be replaced by cardboard. Just get a big box, cut it on the 11 by 14 size, and these will work great for the lessons for the DIY kit as well. You don't need to have this kit. We do recommend you order it, but you can use, like I said, household items to replace everything. We're also sending a nice plastic apron or cover up to make sure that your child doesn't get too messy. Even though everything we send in our kit is washable, you may be using acrylic paints which are not washable or as washable as tempera paint. You can of course replace this with an old t-shirt or maybe some old rags that you have at home and you might want your child to use while he's taking these lessons. So this kit is like we say, is prepared for our curriculum. You get it sent, everything is in there, but it's not necessary to take our online lessons. You can very easily replace all these items with things you can find in your house, as we mentioned. Even coming to the tempera paints that we send, we have an assortment of colors, but all you really need is black, white, red, blue, and yellow. That way you have all the colors, you do all the mixes, you have the online teacher helping your child to make sure that he makes the best out of the materials that they have at home if they did not get the kit. And we will make sure that these classes are successful for everyone, whether it's with our kit or with your DIY kit that you create yourself. We hope to see you in our online classes real soon.